Hi and welcome back to this channel. In this video we're going back to Hanoi to catch a train to Hue and Hoi An. We're back in Hanoi and it's waiting for the train's departure in a couple of hours. So while we're waiting here, I can just spend a couple of moments to share with you where we're going. So for now it's a couple of hours waiting, as I said, and then we are going to Hue tonight and to be there in a day's time, and then move on by car to Hoi An. So in this video we're going to show you a little bit about the trip with this night train, which should be very exciting, and then the day tomorrow in Hue will be included in this video as well. So stick along and we'll enjoy the ride. One thing I forgot to tell you, back in t-shirt and shorts for the first time here in Vietnam. The weather is not much better, it's still very overcast, but at least the temperature is above the 20s now, so that's a good thing. So put on your shorts and t-shirts when it's getting better and getting hotter. Dinner is fixed, ready for the train, leaving with a Grab to Hanoi station. Alright, so finally we're about to on the train to this very fun and exciting journey, where we're going to be on the train for 13-14 hours driving south along the shoreline and the mountains. So this is going to be fun. Looking cozy.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where...
Alright, ready for a room tour? This is going to be exciting, so keep on to your hats and your glasses. This is going to blow you away. Alright, that's it for the room tour. Finally, this time on the train. So hopefully a good night's sleep, and see you in the morning.
From the train, it's 7:15 in the morning after a long night.
Arriving in Hue, and I think when we're getting off the train we are maybe just settling down just a minute, and then I think we're getting a grab to our hotel, which should be just near the Perfume River, so it should be nice. And I think everyone needs a little rest when we get there, because it's been a long, tough night. Cheers from Hue. Definitely deserved that. That was good. More. Okay, so now we are out of the hotel and on our way to the famous old citadel, which is the old fortress here in Hue, where the old emperor used to live many years ago. Here in Hue, and tonight we'll probably be lucky enough to get some sunset photo of the old citadel. So I cross my fingers for that, and let's get on with the video. Made it inside the citadel, and we just went through the royal temple, which you see here in the background. It's a very large area from the dynasty. Yeah, I don't know how many years ago actually it is, but it's been a long time since this has been built. Most of it is gone because of the Vietnam War, when the Americans bombed the entire place here in Hue. So what we see here now is what is left from many years ago. Yeah, beautiful. And as I also mentioned in when we were in Ninh Binh, if you're a favor of culture and history, then this is kind of like a paradise and heaven for you. But for me, it's over with pretty quickly, but it's beautiful, and hopefully this time we will be able to make a picture, I think, tonight when the sun sets from the other side of the palace at the main entrance. So I cross my fingers to try and get some good pictures there, and I'll take you along with it as well. Alright, so now 40 minutes to sunset, and Emma and I is about to get outside of the citadel to go to the spot we found when we came here to grab a picture of the entrance to the citadel. Hopefully getting some light in the sky. It doesn't look too promising right now because there are actually no clouds at all, but you gotta hope, and maybe you get lucky. So cross the fingers and hope for some light. So just found out that the exit of the citadel is not the same place where you enter the citadel. So Emma and I are in a hurry, and we might not be able to make it to sunset, but we're moving fast, and hopefully we'll make it anyway. Otherwise it'll be a blue hour shot instead of a golden hour shot. So yeah, we'll try to get the best of it, at least. So the sun is about to set, still visible in the horizon, but we have to get down this path to the end and set up our camera gear. So it's a bit of a struggle, but we'll try and see if we can manage. I hope they turned out well. The light was decent, and we got two compositions. One from the side with the sun in the background setting in the horizon, and hopefully, or at least I tried to get some sun star in the picture, but I won't know until I see it on the big screen. And now we're going back to the hotel, and I'll probably try to shoot some time lapse in front of the hotel of the light streaks from the cars. So see you tomorrow after this time lapse. Good morning from Hue, and welcome to the Tien Mu Pagoda, where Gita and I just took a run to this morning, 6:15, and now here some 45 minutes later. It was a 5-kilometer run, which I was not up to, so bear with me if I'm a little bit out of breath and very sweaty. So, but it's a beautiful sight, and Gita is probably gonna run back, and I'm gonna see if I can get a scooter. So see you later. So after our nice run this morning. Ida and I, we went back to the hotel. I got a grab and just had some breakfast. And now Andreas and I will go down to the river to fly with the drone. So here's some footage of that, and then we'll wrap up after that before we leave to Hoi An. Wow, that was a nice flight around the Perfume River in Hue. So the next thing now is for us to get back at the hotel and get a car that will drive us to Hoi An. It will take around 3 hours, and yeah, that's it for Hue. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please write them down below. And if you haven't already, then I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, and thereby you will be able to watch more videos from Vietnam and our trip down south. So hopefully see you in the next one. Bye for now.